Alright, for my next trick, we're going to be spot welding. I've made myself a little spot welder here. There's a 12-volt solenoid starter for a motorcycle. I got a push button for the trigger, this little insulated stick, a couple big aluminum blocks, and my electrodes are just hard pieces of solid copper core wire. And pretty much all you do is push the magic button and sparks fly out of the end of the thing. I've got this little jig here that I've built. It's just a couple blocks of wood, and it just keeps everything nice and square. And what we're doing today is making a 3S battery. I've got a 2S pack here that's already joined in series, and we add this nickel strip across the top, and that'll bring all three into series. We'll have a 3S pack, and that'll be for my good buddy Taco Corp, who won our giveaway recently, and now he's buying some of these batteries for his Taranis because he wants his pack to last forever. Yeah, and this is probably the quietest you'll ever find this room because I actually had to stop both the 3D printers to focus and get this shit done because let's just say I've been a little obsessed with the 3D printers. So all we're going to do is we're going to lay these guys right here, and because my electrodes aren't perfect, I'm going to use these little pliers to just kind of grip and get them repositioned exactly where I need them to be. That looks pretty good right there. Obviously you don't want to be holding them when this thing goes off. Good. Brace for impact. Put a magnet up there. It just helps keep the nickel strip in place. There was a good one. So it's not jumping around when you're trying to get this done. I'm sure it's in place now. And come over to this one. And the whole point of this is just to put as little heat into these batteries as possible. I've done a lot of soldering of batteries too, which is a total nightmare. You don't really ever want to put big globs of solder on the ends of cells. That's why they have these little tabs, is so that you can solder off the little tab and that heat will dissipate and not get back to the lithium and ruin the chemistry in the battery. First time I ever tried soldering batteries with soldering iron and a big old shovel head on it like this. Basically, as soon as I started, I heard a hissing sound, and then I smelled this really weird smell. What the fuck is that smell? Oh, I'm cooking the lithium. Bad. But this is like not hot at all. Nice solid connection. And we'll put a tab on that one as well. So we'll just get another piece of nickel strip. And this one, oh, no, we don't need a tab there. So we got our negative pole, our positive, our negative, our positive. So that's everything that this battery actually needs. We'll just put a balance lead on there, and a main lead for discharging, and he'll be good to go.